As soon as the butter starts to melt, we're going to go ahead and add our onions and then our garlic. So we don't need these to actually saute all the way down, because we're also going to be adding liquid and boiling them and then reducing them and then cooling them and then frying them again. So these will be soft enough when we get to the end of our process here. So while we're waiting, we're going to measure out a half a cup of rice, and I'm going to measure it out right over what we're pouring it into. In case anything spills, it'll go into what we're going to be using. All right, our vegetable stock is heating up, so we're going to give that another stir here. All right, now this is an optional step. Right, the butter is almost done. And add just a splash of wine. You can do that either to keep it from scorching, or in this case, to add just a little bit of flavor to it. We're going to dump our rice in here. You can see some's going to stick here, but when we're going to measure out our vegetable stock in here, and that'll remove all the rice straight into the pan. We're going to move this around. That's why I only put a splash. I don't want to drown the rice, I just want to get the flavor of it. So we want a 2-to-1 liquid to rice ratio. So we've measured out our cup of stock. As soon as this comes to a boil, we're going to put a lid on it and take our temperature down to about 4, and then cook it until all of the juice has been absorbed.